Here's an example of the structure breakout pattern. A breakout happens after structure is violated or after a period of consolidation is violated. So during a structure breakout, you will see that the market is forming a double top of an ascending triangle. This is also known as a potential reversal. If you look at the image, you can see that price is coming to a level of structure, which was resisted with the prediction that price will decrease lower, but it does not. What happens is that price breaks and closes above the previous resistance point and continues to go in a bullish direction. During any period of consolidation, the bulls and bears are fighting against each other before announcing who won the battle. Here's the consolidation pattern. The consolidation pattern happens to form a wedge shape with the top and bottom trend lines coming in, expecting to see an expansion to the up or downside depending on the direction of the trend. So imagine squeezing a stress ball. Each time you squeeze that stress ball, you are decreasing levels of stress, causing the ball to become less dense. When the ball is released, it increases in size to form that shape again. An example of consolidation formed during a breakout. Remember, price can break to either the up or downside, but for this example, price is continuing bullish.